Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designs, and today I have a Friday Sews for you. Well, it's on a Sunday, but it's still a Friday Sews. I have a few things that I recently picked up and some Happy Mail that I recently got in the mail. So let's start with that. So I just got my package in today from Sophia at The Doc is Hot here on YouTube and Instagram. She did a giveaway for her new planner that dropped, and I was the winner over on Instagram. And like, I was shocked. I don't think I knew until about 2 days later, but I did open this, and then when I did, I was like, oh no, I have to share this because this is wrapped so beautifully. But wait, so I did already open the box, and this is just the little thank you sticker. And then the inside is so super pretty. I thought I was just gonna open this and just find, get right to the planner. But no, there is more wrapping, pretty pink paper, another thank you sticker, and the sticker reads, "Thank you for supporting my small business." Love it. I'm gonna try to open it. Oh, I just tore that tissue paper. Trying not to do that. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I could see it through the paper, and I said, oh no, I have to share this. It is pretty. And the fact that it says 2026, because I was going to take this to work, thumb through it, and see if I wanted to start using it. But I am so OCD when it comes to like time frame, things being in order, alphabetical order, whatever, that I was like, no, I'm not going to start using this planner in November. I'm going to wait to the beginning of the year. And it does say 2026, so I have to wait. So good for me. Good for Sophia. But she has stickers here in the front. I really like this. Ooh, yes, 12-month sewing planner belongs to, and I can put her name here in the book because it says a gift from. Love it. January is my birth month, and there are sewing quotes here. It says sewing fills my days, not to mention the living room, bedroom, and closets. Love it. Then there's a page for a mood board. And then your sewing goals are here. One new thing I want to try. One new thing I want to learn. January sewing reflection. Favorite projects of the month. Least favorite. Least favorite project of the month. And she did a video on her planner, a few pages, and it is just as she showed it. January sewing plans, the pattern, notions needed, and fabric ideas. And then you have a second page on the back. Then you have a page for notes. And so on. February has a new sewing quote, but the layout is pretty much the same throughout the book for each month. I am going to go to the back because I want to see if there's anything different or additional. And let's see. I think I saw something. Yes, T&T. Tried and Trues. Oh, I love that. Tried and True patterns. And then this says palette cleanser patterns. That's a good one too. This is very thoughtful. Okay. And that's the book. That is the sewing planner. But I do think I'm going to get started putting some projects down in this book that I want to work on. Y'all, get you one of these. I think you will like it. I do. Happy Planner had a sewing planner, and I thought I loved that, but I think I'm going to love this one even better. Thank you, Sophia. So I could go on and on about that planner because, like, it's so colorful and vibrant, and I am very excited to use it. So if you are a sewist or a crafter in the community, you should be aware by now that McCall's patterns are on sale at Hobby Lobby for 99¢. Now, there's not a lot of McCall's patterns that I still want or need, but there are a couple that's on my list. Now, I was only able to get my hands on one. My daughter actually picked this up for me, and it is McCall's M8360. Ooh, yeah. It's described as a Mrs. jumpsuit with suggested fabrics, denim, twill, poplin, cotton blends, and lining fabrics. And it's this pattern here. I can't remember whose channel I saw this on, but when I saw it, I knew I wanted it. Number one, that corset-like top, I really like it. I've made one bra top, and I really, really enjoyed it. So I'm looking forward to making this jumpsuit. I might even make it, I might hack it and make it a dress. That's actually what I'm thinking. So that's one pattern. And like I said, my daughter got this for me. And on that trip, she also picked up a cut of fabric for me. Now, my daughter does so much with me with fabric shopping, patterns, sewing, till she knows exactly what to do and what to look for when she's in the store and I'm not with her and I need something. So, as always, I take a picture of the end of the bolt when I purchase fabric so that I can make note of what it is, how to take care of it, and those kind of things. So she did the same for me. Now this fabric is a fall fabric, and right now at Hobby Lobby the fall fabric is on sale for 50% off. So this was normally $7.99 a yard, and I got it for $3.99 a yard. And I told her to go ahead and give me 5 yards. One, because I kept passing up this fabric, but every time I went to Hobby Lobby, I was like, oh my God, that is so pretty. But I just could not commit to it. But I finally broke down and got it. This fabric is described as leaves, multicolor, and it is 100% cotton. And it is this fabric here. I love the colors of orange, red, yellow, and black in this fabric. It just screams fall, of course, right? The changing leaves and all of that. It is so fall. I am not sure if I want to do like a full circle skirt or like a pencil skirt or even like a fit and flare dress. I don't know. Whatever it is, I do want it to be like more on the vintage side of things. So that's what I'm thinking about with that fabric. Now, the other pattern that I picked up is Simplicity S9114. This is a Mimi G pattern, and it is described as Mrs. Dress with recommended fabrics being burnouts, double georgette, organza, sheers, sateen, and silky types. It is this pattern here. Now, I was inspired to pick up this pattern by C of We See Style. I passed up this pattern so many times because one, I was like, well, what really is this? And I never pulled it out to see that the pattern is for the dress, that this is a dress. I was like, no, that's not my style. I'm never going to wear that. But C recently made the dress, and she really did this pattern justice. She sold this pattern to me. And that's why I had to go get it. Now, I got it at Walmart for the low price of $5.97. Now, no, it's not, you know, the sale prices that we're used to, but for $5.97, you can't beat that. So don't sleep on your local Walmart stores. If they have a sewing section and they carry fabric and patterns, check there because you can get them for pretty cheap. I have not paid over $9 for a pattern at Walmart. Now, this next piece of fabric is giving me all the fall vibes. This fabric is described as mushrooms. It is multicolor and it is 100% cotton. Now, as I stated before, I am not a big prints girl, but I'm trying to get into them. So, and I'm also usually not wearing things like food and stuff on my clothing, but this one I loved, and I think that was maybe part of my hesitation in getting it, but it also has some floral prints, some sunflowers, and they are just like, I think those are sunflowers, but if they're not, correct me. But I just think I think it's beautiful. I think it is absolutely beautiful. The colors in it just scream fall. You have your hunter green, your yellow, your orange, your reds. I mean, it is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, this was also on sale for $3.99 a yard, 50% off, and I got 3 yards of this one. I started to get more, but I kept saying I didn't really know what I would do with more yardage of this because I was going to get 5 yards. But I know there's so much I can do with it. So I'm really thinking about going back and getting 2 more yards of that. The leaf fabric, I also got 5 yards of. So the 5-yard cut cost me $19.95. The 3-yard cut was $11.97. So can't beat that with a stick. And I'm really glad that I went and purchased those 2 fabrics because now I feel complete. I don't feel like there's anything that I'm wanting or I'm going to miss out on. So that's all for this Friday sews. Short, sweet, and to the point. And hopefully I'll have more Friday sews for you all. And I will. But until next time, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss up on all the incredible sewing content that I have in store for you. See you in the next one.